In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your images move in CapCut. So if you want to create a moving effect for one of your images in CapCut, maybe you want an image moving in from the screen or you want an image moving left or right, then I'm going to show you exactly how we can do this. So we're just going to start by creating a new project, and then what we're going to do is just drag some video footage onto the timeline. So now that we have our video footage on the timeline, what I'm going to do is drag an image onto the timeline as well. So I'm just going to drag this Instagram logo onto the screen like this, and I'll be using this one as a demonstration. But if you wanted to make just the video move itself or the background image, then you can do that as well just by following these steps. So the first thing I'm going to do is just resize this image so it fits the full width of our video like so. And then you also need to rescale the image as well, and then just place it in its starting position. Now once you've placed your image in its starting position, we're then going to move the playhead right to the beginning of this video like so, and then you need to come over to the video tab in the top right hand side. Now underneath transform, you're going to see this position. So what we need to do is click on this triangular icon to add a new keyframe, and as you can see, this will turn this kind of blue color in this little icon. So what this basically means is that a keyframe has been created. So now what you need to do is move this playhead a few seconds after this first keyframe, and then what we're going to do is just reposition the image like so. And now what this is going to do is create a moving effect. So you can see if I play this, what it's going to do is move to that second position. Now you can keep adding additional keyframes if you want the image to keep moving. So I can keep dragging the playhead like this, and then just keep adjusting the image to where you want this to move to. So I can keep going all the way along the clip for as long as basically you want this image to move. So now if I play this from the very beginning, you can see it's moving all the way across the screen. So if you want to speed up any of these effects, then you can do that as well simply by moving the keyframes. So if you just hold down the left click and then move the keyframe like so, it's going to speed up or slow down the effect. So if I move all of these keyframes closer together like so, and then we come in and play that back from the very beginning, you can see now it's a lot quicker than it was playing before. And you can also do the same thing if you wanted to slow it down as well. You can just basically make the gap between these keyframes a lot bigger, and obviously the effect now is going to be much slower. So it's really as simple as that, guys. That's basically how you make images and objects move in CapCut. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.